Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our last question in progression chapter. So what is here is they are given two series, geometric progression series. The two series will have same nth term. So that is the condition. So both will have same nth term. So we have to find what is the nth term and which n term is equal. So here let's going to find out what is the first term and what is the common ratio for the both series. So let's going to take first series, that is 162, 54 and 18 and so on. So this is A, that is 162. So first term is A will be equal to A1. So A1 will be equal to 162. Then common ratio R will be equal to A2 by A1. So A2 will be equal to 54 and A1 will be equal to 162. So we can divide this with either within, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are, 3 9s are, 3 27s are, then 9 1s are, 9 3s are, that is 1 by 3. So what is the common ratio? R will be equal to 1 by 3. So actually, so A term we know and nth term we have to find it. So what is nth term here? An will be equal to A into R power n minus 1. So this is nth term for the geometric progression series. Nth term is A into R power n minus 1. So this is the case. Now what is the next one? So we have founded that first series. So first one, A into nth term will be equal to A into R power n minus 1. So A will be equal to 162 into R will be equal to 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. So let's going to take equation 1. So this is equation 1. Then what is the next one? So next series is, second one is 2 by 81, then 2 by 27 and 2 by 9 and so on. So here A1 will be equal to 2 by 81. Then what is the R? That is A2 by A1. So what is the common ratio? That is A2 by A1. So A2 will be equal to 2 by 27 whole divided by 2 by 81. So that is 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 1s are. Then 3 27s are 3 9s are. So 9 1s are 9 3s are. So here we are getting 3 as a common ratio. For the second series, common ratio will be equal to 3. So what is the first term? So let's going to write what is the nth term here. So nth term, An will be equal to A into R power n minus 1. So A will be equal to, what is that? 2 by 81. 2 by 81. R will be equal to 3. So that is 3 power n minus 1. So 3 power n minus 1. This is the case here. So 3 power n minus 1. This is the case. Now let's going to take An. This one let's going to take equation 2. So as for our data in question, what they are given here is nth term. So equation 1 equal to equation 2. Why? Because An for the first one will be equal to An. So An for the first, An for the second. So An for the first will be equal to 162 into 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. That will be equal to, what value you can write it? So 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. So this is the case. So 1 power anything is 1. Whatever it is, 1 power anything is n minus 1. So let's going to keep as it is. That is, so let's going to shift this to the right side. So 1 n power 1 by 3 power n minus 1 into 162, that will be equal to 2 by 81 into 3 power n minus 1. So that is the case. So let's going to shift and multiply. So 162 into 81 whole divided by 2 will be equal to 3 power n minus 1 into 3 power n minus 1. So that is the case. So what is the a power m into a power n? Since the formula a power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n. So this is the formula. If bases are same, exponents are different. If it is there in multiplication, we have to add exponents. So that is 2 1s are 2. What is this? 2 8s are 2 1s are. So what value we are getting? 81 into 81, that is 3 power n minus 1 plus of n minus 1. So what value? 3 power 2n minus 2. So what is the answer? 2n minus 2. N plus n, 2n. Then minus 1 minus 2. So 81 you can write it as 3 power. So 3 square is 9 9s are. So 3 power 4. So 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9. 9 9s are 84, that is 3 power 4, 3 power 4, 3 power 4 plus 4. that is 3 power 2n minus 2. So what answer here? So we will get it as 3 power 8 will be equal to 3 power 2n minus 2. So these are the bases. If bases are equal, then exponents also equal. If bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So that is the case here. So 8 will be equal to 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2. So 2n minus 2 will be equal to 8. That implies 2n will be equal to 8 plus 2 will be equal to 10. Then n will be equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones are, then 2 fives are. So n will be equal to 5. So which term? A fifth term. So a5 will be equal to a5. So here nth term will be equal to 5. So this is the way to find the calculations. If you like the video, please like it and try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Try to watch more videos.